Hey there, welcome back. On today's episode of the Easy Channel, we're going to continue the process of replacing the water pump and timing belt on the E30. The next step is to remove the fan clutch. So here we go. Now that we removed the radiator and the shroud, we can now take out the fan clutch. Need help taking out the radiator and the shroud? We can do that together by clicking here. Now, excuse my bad modeling, but the water pump pulley basically looks like this. It's got one 32mm bolt that holds the fan clutch on, and four 10mm bolts that hold the pulley to the water pump. The issue is it's a bit congested in this area. So what you'll have to do is take out two of these 10mm bolts so that you can slide your 32mm wrench in here. But now you're saying, I got the 32mm wrench around the nut, but how do I get it off? What I ended up doing was using a pair of pliers, holding the water pump pulley firmly but gently in one hand, and using the wrench in the other hand to loosen the nut. Remember though, the fan clutch is reverse threaded, so when you're loosening the nut, if you're looking at it from my point of view, the wrench should be going down. And when you're removing the fan clutch, if you're looking at the front of the vehicle, it should be rotated clockwise. And with those easy steps, we're ready to move on. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.